Hello, my name is Arash Amanipour and I'm a level product specialist at Emerson. Today, I'm going to show you how to upgrade the firmware of the Rosemount 3490 controller through the Rosemount 3490 web interface. We'll first need to access the Webserver. In order to do that, you'll need an Ethernet cable, a computer, and the 3490 controller. In order to access the controller's web interface, you'll have to connect the computer to the controller via the Ethernet port. After connecting the two, enter the controller's IP address into your web browser. The standard IP address from the factory is 192.168.4.10, as seen on the screen. After entering the controller's IP address, you will be requested to enter a PIN code. Here, 4 zeros is what is standard for the factory. Once the code is entered, you'll now be logged into the web interface. You'll see that the menu structure represents the different service functions that you can utilize. Today, we're covering the firmware upgrade. Begin by selecting Firmware Upgrade from the menu, after which you'll be prompted to select a file. The latest firmware file can be found on the Rosemount 3490 controller's web page. Proceed to download, select, and open it. After opening it, a progress bar will appear, indicating the time left before the upgrade is complete. Note that this upgrade can take a few minutes. When the upgrade is finished, you'll be returned to the logon window.
While the upgrade is happening, you'll see that the green LED indicator from the Rosemount 3490 controller starts blinking, and that the display shows the initial screen. That means that the unit is upgrading the firmware. This may take a few minutes, so make sure not to unplug the power supply during the upgrade. Once the firmware upgrade is finalized, the LED indicator will show a continuous green light.
Now you can verify that the firmware has been upgraded by opening the About tab in the menu. Simply observe that the firmware version matches with the name of the firmware file. That's it. Now you know how to upgrade the firmware in your Rosemount 3490 controller. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, please reach out to your nearest Emerson representative.